Perched on a dramatic stretch of cliffs where the Pacific Ocean meets the tip of the Baja Peninsula, Sandos Finisterra All-Inclusive has spent decades earning its reputation in Cabo San Lucas. The property first opened its doors way back in 1971 as the original Hotel Finisterra, and it has since been reborn under the Sandos Hotels and Resorts banner after a major renovation in 2013. That history matters because this is not some cookie-cutter resort plopped onto the sand last year. It has stories built into its walls and a setting that genuinely makes people pause when they first walk out onto a balcony. With a 5-star rating, an all-inclusive setup, and a location just a short stroll from the marina, it sits in an interesting sweet spot for travelers who want comfort without being cut off from the town. The rooms here come in a wider variety than you might expect, which is good news for anyone who likes options. The entry-level category is the Deluxe Bay View, a comfortable room sleeping up to 3 people with either one king bed or 2 doubles, a furnished balcony, and views over the bay and marina that are honestly hard to beat for a starter-tier room. Step up to the Junior Suite Ocean View and you get an integrated living area with a sofa, a slightly more polished feel, and that endless blue Pacific stretching out in front of you. The Finisterra Suite goes further still, splitting the bedroom from the living room, adding a second flat-screen TV, and sleeping up to 4 with a king bed and sofa bed. For travelers who want something with a bit more character, the Casita Suites are tucked into the hillside, offering a quieter, more secluded experience with ocean and bay views from a private terrace. If you really want to treat yourself, 2 categories stand out. The Casita Suite with jacuzzi adds a private outdoor hot tub to your terrace, which sounds like a small detail until you are actually soaking in it while the sun dips into the Pacific. The Tortuga Beachfront Tower Suite puts you right at sand level with direct ocean views, a separate living area, and a balcony made for slow mornings with coffee. Finally, the Royal Elite Suite, part of the resort's Vacation Club program, comes with upgraded furnishings, an exclusive area of the property, and an upgraded minibar. Across every room category, you can count on air conditioning, free Wi-Fi, flat-screen televisions, in-room safes, coffee makers, hair dryers, and a minibar restocked daily with soft drinks, water, and beer. Exact room sizes are not published publicly, but guest feedback consistently calls the spaces clean, comfortable, and well-maintained. When it comes to food and drink, Sandos Finisterra spreads things out across a handful of distinct venues so you are not eating the same meal twice. The main hub is Don Diego, an international buffet with rotating theme nights that becomes the default option for breakfast and a reliable choice for dinner when you cannot decide what you are in the mood for. Tortuga Beach handles the sun and sand crowd with grill specialties and international plates served right by the water, which is the kind of setup that turns lunch into a 2-hour affair. Agave is the on-site Mexican spot, offering a la carte dining that leans into regional flavors and tends to be a guest favorite when they want a more dressed-up evening. Emiliano's Osteria rounds out the sit-down options with Italian cuisine, perfect for a pasta night when you have had enough tacos to last a week. For lighter bites, La Palapita is the casual pool snack bar where you grab something quick without leaving your lounger for long, while the Cupcake Cafe handles pastries, sandwiches, and coffee for that mid-afternoon energy boost or pre-dinner sweet tooth. The bar scene is also worth highlighting, with multiple options scattered around the property, including a swim-up bar and a rooftop lounge bar with views that absolutely do not disappoint at sunset. Guests have generally praised the food quality, though some have mentioned the specialty restaurants occasionally have wait times during peak hours and the buffet can be inconsistent on certain nights. Still, the variety alone keeps things interesting across a week-long stay, and the all-inclusive setup means you are not running tabs in your head every time you order another cocktail. The pools and beach situation is where Sandos Finisterra really plays to its strengths, with 4 outdoor pools spread across the property, including infinity pools that seem to spill right into the ocean horizon. The swim-up bar is a fixture for guests who like their day to involve as little movement as possible, which is a perfectly valid vacation philosophy. Loungers are plentiful, and because the property has multiple pool areas, you can usually find a quieter spot away from the more lively scene if that is what you are after. The infinity pool views are especially photogenic, and they tend to be the centerpiece of most guest photo albums. Pool service is generally well reviewed, with staff bringing drinks and snacks to your chair so the day can roll along uninterrupted. The beach itself is a major selling point, but it comes with one important caveat. The private beach is large, beautifully maintained, and noticeably free of pushy vendors, which is a welcome change compared to some of the more crowded stretches in Cabo. However, because the resort sits on the Pacific side of the peninsula, the ocean here is not generally swimmable due to strong currents and powerful waves. This is a well-documented quirk that comes up in nearly every honest guest review, so it is worth setting expectations early. The good news is that the beach is still wonderful for long walks, sunbathing, and watching dramatic surf, and the multiple pools more than cover the swimming needs. Many guests actually end up appreciating the wilder character of the Pacific shoreline once they understand what they are looking at. Beyond lounging, the resort keeps things active for guests who want to do more than recover from breakfast. There are tennis courts on the property for anyone who packs their racket, beach volleyball setups on the sand, and a fitness center for travelers who refuse to skip leg day even on vacation. The resort schedules a rotating menu of daytime activities that ranges from games and dance lessons to organized group fun, and the entertainment team has a solid reputation for keeping the energy up without being pushy about it. Evening entertainment includes shows several nights a week, and there is even a nightclub on site for guests who want to keep the party going after dinner. Cultural touches show up in events like Mexican-themed nights and the popular Tiki Party, where guests have specifically called out the pineapple drinks as a memorable touch. For travelers who want to explore beyond the resort, the location opens up plenty of options. Golfers can head to the Cabo San Lucas Country Club just a few minutes away, and the marina puts everything from sport fishing charters to sunset cruises within easy reach. Water-based excursions like snorkeling trips to Chilno Bay or Santa Maria Beach are popular add-ons, and the front desk and concierge can help arrange them. There is something here for every energy level, from full-day adventures to simply parking yourself at a poolside table and not moving until dinner. The breadth of options is a big reason this property works well for couples, friend groups, and families alike. Wellness is handled by Spa Del Mar, the full-service spa on property, and it delivers the kind of menu you expect at a resort in this tier. Treatments include a range of massages, facials, and beauty services, with hydrotherapy areas built into the spa experience for guests who want to make a longer afternoon out of it. Guests have consistently praised the spa as one of the highlights of their stay, with reviewers calling the services excellent and the atmosphere genuinely relaxing. The hydrotherapy circuit in particular is a nice touch that elevates the experience beyond a standard massage appointment, giving you a reason to arrive early and linger after your treatment. It is the kind of spa where you walk in stressed and walk out wondering what your real-life problems even were. While the spa does not appear to offer structured detox programs or daily group yoga classes as a headline feature, the overall wellness vibe of the property leans heavily into relaxation. The combination of ocean views, multiple pools, beach walks, and the spa itself creates a natural rhythm for guests who want to unplug. Many travelers in this kind of setting end up creating their own wellness routine, with a quiet morning by the pool, a midday spa visit, and a long sunset walk to round things out. For those who prefer something more active, the fitness center is available around the clock, and the resort grounds themselves provide plenty of walking opportunities thanks to the hillside layout. It is wellness on your own terms rather than a rigid schedule. Families will appreciate that Sandos Finisterra is not adults only, and the property puts real thought into keeping younger guests entertained. There is a dedicated kids club with supervised activities, giving parents a few hours to themselves while the children play under the care of trained staff. Activities tend to include arts and crafts, games, and pool-based fun, structured to match different age groups so nobody feels left out. The pools themselves have shallower areas suitable for kids, and the beach, while not swimmable, is a fantastic spot for sandcastle building and the kind of running around that exhausts children in the best possible way. Parents have specifically called out the kids' activities in positive reviews on multiple platforms. The family-friendly atmosphere extends to the dining venues as well, with the buffet being especially convenient for picky eaters and the casual lunch spots offering plenty of kid-approved options. Evening entertainment, including themed shows, often has elements that appeal across age groups. so families can enjoy the night together rather than splitting up. Some of the suite categories, particularly the Finisterra Suite and Tortuga Beachfront Tower Suite, are designed with families in mind thanks to their separate living areas and sofa bed configurations. It all adds up to a resort that genuinely works for travelers bringing kids, which is increasingly rare in this kind of setting in Cabo. If you have ever tried to take young children to a strictly adults-leaning luxury resort, you know why this matters. The location is one of the resort's biggest assets, and the list of nearby attractions reads like a Cabo highlights reel. The Cabo San Lucas Marina is just half a kilometer away, putting all the boat tour, restaurants, and nightlife of that area within easy walking distance. Lovers Beach and Divorce Beach are both about 1.8 kilometers away, and the iconic Land's End rock formation, also known as El Arco, sits about 2 kilometers from the property. Medano Beach, the main swimmable beach in Cabo San Lucas, is about 2.5 kilometers away for guests who want to take a dip in calmer waters. Downtown Cabo San Lucas, with its restaurants, bars, and shops, is around 1 kilometer away, while the Puerto Paraíso Mall and Luxury Avenue shopping district is just 1.3 kilometers from the resort. For animal lovers, Cabo Dolphins is less than a kilometer away, and golfers can reach the Cabo San Lucas Country Club within about 4-5 kilometers. Travelers arriving by air will land at Los Cabos International Airport, which sits about 36 kilometers from the resort, with the smaller Cabo San Lucas Airport closer at around 8 kilometers. Day trips to Chileno Bay or Santa Maria Beach for snorkeling are easily arranged thanks to those locations being a short drive away. All in all, the resort gives you a base from which everything Cabo has to offer is genuinely accessible, without the isolation of properties farther out along the coast. That balance is hard to find. Taking everything together, Sandos Finisterra earns its solid reputation through a combination of dramatic location, strong service, and the kind of facilities that hold up across different types of travelers. Booking.com gives it 8.1 out of 10 from nearly 300 reviews, with particularly strong marks for location, comfort, and staff. TripAdvisor places it at a 4 out of 5 with over 8,600 reviews, and Expedia travelers rate it even higher. The most common praise points are the staff, the views, the private beach feel, and the overall property layout. The most common critiques mention that some areas feel a bit dated, the Wi-Fi can be inconsistent in certain rooms, and the specialty restaurants occasionally have wait times during peak periods. What makes this hotel genuinely stand out is its setting. Few resorts in Cabo can match the cliffside location, the dual views of marina and ocean, and the sheer scale of the private beach. The historical pedigree as the original Finisterra adds character, and the renovations under Sandos have kept the property current without erasing its personality. The Royal Elite tier offers an upscale within upscale experience for guests who want something more exclusive, while the family-friendly core makes it accessible to a wide audience. The all-inclusive structure is comprehensive without feeling cheap, and the variety of dining venues keeps things from getting repetitive. For business travelers or groups, the resort also offers meeting rooms and event facilities, making it a viable option for small conferences, weddings, and corporate retreats in a setting that doubles as a memorable destination. The guest experience highlights ultimately come down to the people who work there. Multiple reviewers have specifically said the staff went above and beyond, and one widely shared review even summed it up as 5-star staff at a 4-star hotel. Annual returning guests rave about the tiki parties, the special pineapple drinks, and the way the team makes them feel like family. Whether it is the concierge helping book the perfect excursion, the bartender remembering your drink order on day 2, or the housekeeping staff leaving thoughtful touches in the room, the human element is what elevates Sandos Finisterra from a nice resort to a place guests come back to year after year. That, more than any single amenity, is what makes this property worth considering for your next trip to Cabo. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.